Takoda's in the kitten room seeing the babies. Say hi to the baby. Stay down. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you can give her a kiss. And how about you, Bear? Yeah, how about you? You giving Takoda a kiss? Stay. You gotta stay down. Good boy. You can be comfy. Just stay down. Good. Yeah. Good. Stay down. Good boy. Nice babies, right? Easy. Give them kisses. You give them kisses. Oops, careful. You give them kisses. Give the baby kiss. Stay. Give him a kiss. He's back. Stay. You need to stay. No crawling. You gotta give everybody space, silly. Good boy. Yeah, you can say hi to the babies. But you gotta stay. You see Bear? Easy. Easy with Bear. You gotta be gentle. Be easy. Yeah, and Misty? Yeah, you're happy to see the babies, right? You've been wanting to see them since I moved them upstairs. I'm sorry. They needed more space. Yeah, little babies. Misty likes you. You don't have to. No, stay down. No crawling. Don't get them all cornered here. We got to give them space to know you. I got to get off my toes. Bless you. Good boy. You stay. You stay. Good boy. Stay. Everybody's sneezing. They're not used to the dog dander. Easy. Good boy. Stay. I know you spooked yourself. You're okay. Oh, she's going to get your butt. Easy, silly. Easy. She just smelling your butt. Yeah. Good boy. You stay. And you're just hanging back? Go say hi to Takoda. Yeah, go say hi to Takoda. You don't have to be afraid. Bear, you don't have to be afraid. Good boy. Easy, Takoda. Don't be pushy. Stay down. Stay down and watch what you're doing. Yeah, be careful. She's right next to you. Yeah, you got to be careful. They're very close. She likes you. Yeah. I know. So cute, right? And Bear's just checking you from afar. Easy. Be careful. Yeah, give her a kiss. Misty. Oh, good kisses. Good kisses. Easy, Takoda. Easy. No feet. Easy. Good boy. It's just a baby. She's just a baby. Yeah, she's checking you out. She's just a baby. Easy, Takoda. Easy. Yeah, easy with your nose. Oh, good kisses. Good kisses. Good boy. What good kisses. Yeah, he came for kisses too. You made him itchy. All right, bud. I think we're going to have to leave the babies alone. That was enough for the first day in here in their room. Stay down. You relax. They're going to play with your body parts. I'm sorry. Easy. Yeah, little baby. You give her kisses. He's intrigued by your tail. Yeah, little babies. They like you. Stay. Takoda, stay. Stay. Oh no, she's climbing on. Easy, Takoda. Easy. Easy, bud. You have to be very gentle. Yeah, very gentle. You can get up, but you be careful. Easy, Takoda. Easy. Gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Good boy. Easy. Stay. Takoda, don't move too much because you'll step on them. I know, you're being a good boy. Be careful. Good kisses. Be very careful, silly. Good. Easy. Takoda, easy. Easy. Don't step on her. Good boy. Bear, what are you doing, Bear? He's a little nervous. Good kisses. Good kisses. Easy, Takoda. She's playing. You just have to be gentle. Oops, she fell down. Easy. Good boy. What you doing, Misty? Be gentle. Easy, bud. He's afraid, so be easy. Good boy. Easy. Easy with the baby. Easy, silly. Okay, that's enough. No more. Okay, stay. Don't step on her. Stay. You wait till I get them. Okay, stay. You stay. You good boy. You did it. Stay. Good boy. Don't move.